Can't see certain images or tweets on X because of that annoying sensitive content blur? In this video, I will walk you through how to disable it so your feed is unfiltered. Let's get in. You'll need to launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website x.com. Then provide your credentials and log into your account. You can customize this setting in only the web version. So once you're over here, click on the profile icon given at the top left. Now navigate to the option settings and privacy. Head over to the option privacy and safety. Now click on the option content you see. Check in for the option display media that may contain sensitive content. Then click on the option search settings. Uncheck for the option hide sensitive content. With these settings, you'll be good to go. You have just turned off sensitive content on your X account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.